In this tutorial, we will be exploring how to add and replace values in a Python dictionary. If you've never programmed before, don't worry. We'll break it down into simple steps. First, let's create a dictionary. A dictionary in Python is a collection of key-value pairs. Right now, our dictionary is empty. Let's add a key-value pair to our dictionary. The key will be apple and the value will be red. To check the content of our dictionary, we'll use the print function. As you can see, our dictionary now contains one key-value pair, apple is the key and red is the value. Now, suppose we want to change the color of the apple from red to green. This is how we do it. We've just replaced the value associated with the key apple. Let's print our dictionary again to see the change. You can see that the value for apple has changed from red to green. This is how you replace a value in a dictionary in Python. Let's try adding another fruit to our dictionary. This time, we'll add a banana with the color yellow. As you can see, our dictionary now contains two key-value pairs. The new pair is banana and yellow. This concludes our tutorial on adding and replacing values in a Python dictionary. Don't be afraid to experiment and add more key-value pairs to your dictionary. The more you practice, the better you'll understand. Thank you for watching and happy coding.